Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how I make this delicious chicken pilau. Tastes so good you guys, you have to try it. So let's taste and see. So tasty, and you can taste that coconut flavor. And the chicken stock give it that extra flavor. So I prep all my ingredients in advance. So let's get started. So I have here my rice, some peas. Normally we use pigeon peas from the tin, some squash, some coconut milk that I grated this morning and squeezed, some seasoned chicken, and some stock that I made this morning, some chicken stock. Okay, so in this pot I have the peas, and now I'm going to add some chicken stock to it. Cover and leave to cook on a low heat. Now in this pot I have 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and we're going to let it melt until it gets to this brown. We're making browning for the chicken. When it gets like this, we add the chicken and leave it on one side to brown, then turn it over to the other side to brown. Cover for a little bit so that it can cook in its own juices. So now you can uncover it, and if it looks like the way you want it, then you could go ahead and add your rice. And you want to mix that rice in so that it can get brown, the whole thing could get brown. Okay, and now you can add your squash and stir that in as well. And then you could put your coconut milk. I gradually added my coconut milk. And then you would want to put some more in it. I put all the milk eventually, but now it needs some more liquid so to cover, so I just added some chicken stock to it. Oh, I almost forgot my peas, and so I add the peas in right now. You could also add hot pepper if you like. Cover and leave to cook. You have to occasionally stir because you don't want it to stick to the bottom. Now add your seasoning. Add some green seasoning along with some black pepper and mix it in. It smells so good, you guys. And once the rice isn't cooked properly, I add more stock to it, a piece of butter, and some salt to taste. Stir that in, and it still has some water in it, so I cover the over. So guys, I realized when I cover it over, the steam was making more water, so I decided to take off the cover and occasionally stir the pot so until it get dry. And there you have it guys, our chicken pilau. Thanks for watching you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.